Oatmeal is one of the easiest, quickest, and healthiest breakfast options available. The ingredients couldn't be simpler. You'll need old-fashioned oatmeal. Any brand will be fine. Just make sure it's old-fashioned oatmeal and not quick oats. You'll also need your favorite non-dairy, unsweetened milk, dried fruit. We use cranberries for this example. Nuts. Walnuts work quite well. Some maple syrup, some salt, and a little water. Measure out 2/3 of a cup of oatmeal. Break up the nuts and then add the dried fruit. Add 2/3 of a cup of the non-dairy milk and 1/3 of a cup of water. Now add the maple syrup and a little salt to obtain that sweet and salty flavor. Microwave for 1 minute, then remove and stir. If you're not in a hurry, you can let it rest for about a minute and allow it to absorb the liquid. Now stick it back in the microwave for another 30 seconds, and when done, stir again. Let it stand for a couple of minutes to allow it to cool slightly as it continues to thicken. That's it. It's ready to serve and enjoy. Continue to eat healthy, and please like, comment, share, and subscribe.